Hi, this is a video. About this simple human mirror pro. Actually, the fault with this is this does not work. So when you light on the sensor, it will illuminate and then it'll go, and this is the fault. I've been actually looking all over the place and I could not find how to tear it down. I actually contacted company. This mirror was gifted, but the company refused to take on repair because I did not have any receipt, and hence I've been looking to fix it. It's a beautiful mirror, so I decided to take it apart. I could not actually, it was very difficult to see how can I take it to apart. So what I've done is I've just dismantled the stand, which was very easy. Take it off 3 screws, and then this was a little thing which I have to pry it open with the tool, which is this one. I lift it up and then I open the screws, and what I did is I opened this one, and then this one, it was very difficult, but I figured out how to do it. It's just basically I've used my heat gun, and with the heat gun I heated up certain points, and then I took it off. These are the points you can see it was a glue down. So this is how you simply do it without damaging. You've got to be very, very patient, and then these are the points which you have to obviously glue. It is all glued down, so you have to basically, what I did is I heated up and took it apart in one piece. And now that's all in there. That's all you can see in simple human pro mirror. I wave hand, nothing happens, no light. But as soon as I just put some light on it, it turns on. So I have to. I'm not sure what exactly the fault will be. I think it's just an infrared sensor, probably this one, which is needs to be checked. I will see if I can find a replacement or anything, but if I throw a light on it, it just lights up. Otherwise it won't. It does not have any heating sensing, so I have to still fix this fault. But yeah, there you go. This is how you dismantle it. If there is any solution to this fault, please send me a message in the comments, and I can check it from there. This is motherboard, and these are little LEDs on the side. This strip is basically, it just comes off like this, and underneath you have a white paper reflector. So that's how it goes there. And further, that is a battery pack. I believe it will be able to, there's about 4 batteries in there, 3.7 volt I believe, one of each. But yeah, further I'll check and diagnose more to see if I can fix this fault. If I did, I will upload another video to show how I fix this fault. But if there is any suggestions, please do let me know in the comments, and I will actually I'll be very grateful if you can tell me what could be the fault. But I'll try to fix it anyway to find out what was. If I figured out before, I'll post another video. I hope this video will help somebody else, because I could not find any video and I could not see how can I tear it down in one piece. So I have done that. So this is the way you do it. All you do is you heat up the front area, and then you start from the top take this sort of points off the glue from these points, and then you do from the bottom, heat up from the bottom, and take off the glue, and then on the center points, and this is how it will come off. You got to be very, very patient, because it took me a long time to take this off, so I wanted to make sure that I do not, break the mirror. Thank you very much for viewing it. See you later. Bye bye.